Oh, what is it?
Oh, no. Don't pull it out. Look. Look. Up close. Wow. It says, Happy birthday. It's a birthday cake. You want to blow out the candles? Good girl. Can you say, thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. Can you say thank you?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It opened.
Open? Okay.
Nice. Hey, practice. Practice.
Oh, no, she's not into it.
What's that? Oh, don't pull them out, Caitlin. No, don't pull them out, okay? Look, they stay in. Okay, we're going to keep this card, okay? We're going to keep it. Your birthday outfit's a little bit too big.
Maybe we can take her for a haircut this weekend.
Yeah. You want to get a haircut this weekend?
No.
Oh. She said no.
Caitlin? Caitlin, can you say... Caitlin? Hey. Hey, listen, hey.
Phone.
Oh.